Look, I'm just saying, I don't think maybe we should do the chicken parmesan. Why not do the chicken parmesan? Well, there's a lot of videos on YouTube. There's Sam the Cooking Guy. He's done like 3. Dr. Sunshine said we shouldn't talk to ourselves like this. Well, Dr. Sunshine retired. Oh, hey, what if we put spaghetti on the bottom? Like those spaghetti hamburgers? You know, you get a burger and then you got the spaghetti. What if we do chicken parmesan with spaghetti on a bun? Oh, I like that idea. Ooh. Oh, and we can put salad on the top. Ooh, I like that idea too. All right, let's make the video. Good Friday!
Extra Parmesan. Never hurt anybody. Parsley. Hey! Salad. Top it with a little, some greens. Top it with a bun. Go! Can't believe we did it.
Maybe we don't have a fancy kitchen. I bought this at Goodwill years ago. I hardly ever use it. It's a beautiful piece of wood. Chicken parm spaghetti on garlic bread. Let's see Sam the Cooking Guy do that, huh? And a salad. Oh, hey. Where's the, Oh. Let's take a bite. Oh, I can't afford to turn it. We're going to eat it upside down. Here we go. Take a bite. Ah. That didn't work. I barely got a bite. Let's try it again. Let's try the other side. Oh. That's delicious. Oh boy. I have to turn it right side up. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh. Wow, it all tastes really good. Just take a little bit of sauce. Oh, the sauce is nice and hot. Okay. Holding it from the bottom as well. Oh. That was hot. Hey! Let's take another bite. Maybe this got spaghetti. And it's good because you get a mouthful of spaghetti. It's like you're eating spaghetti. Then you go in for the sandwich, and it's like you're eating a sandwich. Hey. Whoa. Hey. Thanks for joining me this Chicken Parm Spaghetti Garlic Bread Friday. I think we had some fun today, huh? Here we go. Oh. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. No!